Hello viewers, hope you all are well. I'm here with channel named English with Sylvia Sheila. I want to teach you with love and care. Today I'm going to discuss how can we describe human personality by using adjectives. In our society, there are different type of persons. Here are 12 personality related sentences. So let's start. Number 1. Emotional. আবেগপ্রবণ. My daughter is very emotional. Number 2. Pragmatic. বাস্তববাদী. My friend is extremely pragmatic person. Number 3. Imaginative. কল্পনাপ্রবণ. She is a highly imaginative lady. Number 4. Bossy. কর্তৃত্বপরায়ণ. You are so bossy. I like it. Number 5. Bright spark. মেধাবী. You are really a bright spark student. Number 6. Lion-hearted. সাহসী. My grandfather was a lion-hearted man. Number 7. Chicken-hearted. ভীরু. Don't be so chicken-hearted. Number 8. Mean-minded. ছোট মনের অধিকারী. She is a very mean-minded woman. Number 9. Grumpy. খিটখিটে স্বভাবের. Aged persons are generally very grumpy. Number 10. Gifted. প্রতিভাবান. She is a gifted child. Number 11. Lone wolf. যে একাকী থাকতে ভালোবাসে. My younger sister is a lone wolf. Number 12. Empathetic. সহানুভূতিশীল. My father was a very empathetic person. No more today. See you again.